你好，我是 Marc. Hello, I'm Marc. Welcome to 问吧. You have questions, we got answers. One of our students, Vicky00, left us a comment. I know that 次 and biàn both mean how many times, but I'm confused about the difference between them. When can I use 次 and when can I use biàn? Thanks for your question, Vicky. Indeed, both 次 and biàn can be used to describe frequency or how many times you have done something. However, biàn emphasizes the amount of time spent doing something, and also the completion of an action. And 次 emphasizes the frequency of a repeated action rather than the completion of an action or the time spent taking such an action. So, when we focus on the time it takes to do an action and complete such an action, we use biàn. 最近有什么好电影吗？我今天下班要跟女朋友去看电影。Are there any good movies recently? I'm going to watch a movie with my girlfriend after work today. Fast and Furious 6. 我去电影院看了2遍。I went to the theater to watch it twice. In this example, biàn is used to emphasize that he has completed watching this movie twice. 现在我们读今天的生词，每个词读2遍。Now let's read today's new vocabulary. Read each word twice. 好。When we want to stress the frequency of an action or how many times an action was taken, rather than the completion of an action or the time spent taking such an action, we use 次。你看 Fast and Furious 6 了吗？听说很好看。Did you watch Fast and Furious 6? I heard that it's very good. 我不喜欢，我看了2次都没看完。I don't like it. I saw it twice, but just couldn't finish watching it. In this example, 次 is used to emphasize that he has seen the movie twice. It doesn't emphasize whether he has completed such an action or not. 医生，这种药怎么吃？ Doctor, how should this medicine be taken? 一天吃3次，一次吃2片。Take it 3 times a day, and take 2 pills each time. 明白了，谢谢您。Got it. Thank you. 你好，我想去中国旅游。Hello, I want to take a trip to tour China. 好的，请问您以前去过中国吗？ Okay. May I ask if you have ever been to China before? 去过2次，一次去了北京，一次去了上海。这次我想去西安。I have been to China twice. One time I went to Beijing, and the other time I went to Shanghai. This time I want to go to Xi'an. Again, we use biàn to emphasize the time spent completing an action and the completion of an action. We use 次 to stress the frequency of an action or how many times an action was taken, rather than the completion of an action or the time spent taking such an action. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Upload your recordings and tell me what's your favorite song. How many times have you listened to your favorite song? Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。Manager 1, here's the contract you wanted. 陈伟，你检查了吗？这一定不能有错啊。您放心，我检查了3遍。Which of the following statements is most likely to be true according to the dialogue? 陈伟 didn't check the contract. 陈伟 had checked the contract thoroughly for 3 times. 陈伟 just checked some parts of the contract randomly for 3 times. Please choose the best answer. 我们已经找了整个房间，为什么还是没有发现我的护照？不要着急，我们再找一遍。What can be inferred from the dialogue? They will search the whole room again. They will search another room. They will give up searching. Please choose the best answer. 赵刚，你看完《刚够》了吗？很好看，是不是？我不喜欢这本书，我看了很多次都没有看完。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? 赵刚 read the whole book one time, but he doesn't like it. 赵刚 read the whole book many times. 赵刚 started the book many times, but still has not finished it. Please choose the best answer. 王丽，陈伟让我们下班去他家吃饭，你知道他家在哪儿吗？知道。What would he say? 我去过一，我去过一遍，我去过一次。Please choose the best answer. 哇哦，陈伟，你的新车好酷啊！你买回来以后开过吗？ What would he say? 开过2次，开过2遍，开过2。Please choose the best answer.